So today we are here with Dodge Nitro, and we try to find out the chassis number for this. It's a little bit challenging for us because the chassis number is located in different and very unique place. So that's why I have to struggle to find out the chassis number. Stay with us and watch the video until then, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's get it started. This is Dodge Nitro 2011 model. I checked something there, but I didn't find the chassis number in here. I searched it there. Seemed like my normal routine that checking the chassis number, but this car is a little bit challenging for us because I didn't find that the chassis number
you don't
in
know
here.
where is the chassis number.
And
Where?
so we are going to do our best to
Nitro.
provide you the information related with the chassis number. Before you buy and sell the car, you should have to know about the chassis number.
So where is the show me that? Remove the
So stay with
cover,
us,
but you
watch the
cannot
video.
find. Look at this. Open and come here. Okay, that's the chassis.
No, it's there. Okay.
It's only to get in this one.
Check it.
That's here. Open this one. What? Yes, but finish someone. 4x4 2020. Look, it's just 3.7 cc and V6 is 6 cylinders. Rounds is used car perfectly.